carlaskitchencc, best cooking around here. Welcome to carlaskitchencc YouTube channel.
Hey guys, so after cleaning up the turkey,
always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. carlaskitchencc, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different.
Simple
always chefing it up in her kitchen.
Recipe.
Don't forget carlaskitchencc.
So I have some
clean and everything
vegetables
neat
here,
and delicious
and I'm going to
in a
lay
Carla's
it in my
kitchen.
pan.
Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell.
Okay,
so you'll
guys,
be notified whenever she upload a new video.
My turkey
and support the thing.
That I'm going to be using
Carla's
some
Kitchen
ground ginger, some black pepper, some thyme, all-purpose
Run go subscribe to Carla's
and some
Kitchen
lemon pepper with salt. Okay. Here I have some butter, and I'm going to baste the turkey with the butter. So I'm going to go underneath the skin turkey, and I'm going to rub it in. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be using some vegetables to stuff the turkey, and I'm going to be using corn and bell pepper, onion, spring onion and thyme. To tie the two legs together. Okay, so I tie my turkey legs together. So I'm just going to drop some thyme in the pan like that. So here I have a piece of foil. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wrap the turkey leg, the tip of the leg, with the foil paper because the leg is sticking out, so it will burn quickly. Okay, so I'm going to protect it with the foil. Okay guys, let's check the turkey. Alright, still have a lot more cooking to do, but it's coming on nicely. Here you have it guys, beautiful turkey. Like up the video guys, share the video out, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss out on my next upload. Put God first in everything you're doing, be kind to yourself so you know how to show kindness to others. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye guys.